Well, hello and welcome back to Rusty Glove Box here. And what we've been doing is working on the Studebaker pickup. So let me swing you around and let's check it out. Made a lot of progress under the hood. We got our AC and heater hose set up, hooked up. Got our recovery bottle, coolant recovery mounted and everything. It's found its place. Batteries in. Everything's in there. Got my battery disconnect when I'm not working on the truck. Disconnect the battery. There's a fan relay right here for the fan. And I've got my other accessory relays. I got one of them is an AC relay, one is a horn relay, and the other is a daytime running light relay. And so I'm gonna run these pretty cool headlights on the truck. And they have that halo ring that lights up. And that looks pretty good. I'll go ahead and crank the truck up. We'll see how it runs. Okay, so we got that fuel injection on here. And I wait till I hear the fuel pump stop running. That's pretty good for an old 60 model or 64 model pickup. No pumping the accelerator or anything like that. And this right here, I just have it on here so I can kind of check my calibrations and everything. Look at that vacuum. And that's some great vacuum. That means the engine's in good shape and all that. I mean, that's almost like 16.5. It jumps around a little bit, but real good vacuum. So the engine is in good shape. Piston rings, everything's sealing good. Gauges are working. Turn the AC on, it's blowing. Compressor came on. Take you out here to look under the hood. There's the engine running. There's those daytime running lights. And when I turn the park lights on or the headlights, those go off. And but when I turn the turn signals on, if I'm turning right, well, this one will blink amber, and that one will still be white, and vice versa. If I turn this turn on, it'll burn amber, this one will burn white. So I like it, pretty cool. AC switch is working good. Maybe wait just a minute, you can hear it. It just cycled just a moment ago. There you go. But engine sounds pretty good. Got the lights going the way I want them. So pretty happy with it. But anyway, we got it running. Sounds pretty good. Got the AC going because summer will be here before you know it. I mean, spring's not even here yet, but I'm worried about air conditioner. But that's the way it is in Texas, you know. Air conditioner all the way. You may need it 4 seasons here. But anyway, enough about that. Just real happy with the progress so far. Just getting a little more odd and end stuff taken care of. So I appreciate y'all coming by the shop today. This is Rusty Glove Box, and I'm out of here.